Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2004 Ford Focus LX sedan, stock preference number 4613. This shape runs from the first month 2001 through to the 6th month 2005. It has a 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand side of the right-hand headlight. Does have light sun cracks, left fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has a couple of small dents. Boot lid, a little bit of paint fade on top. No real dents. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right tail light in good condition. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre. Both right hand doors have minor dents. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror with a few scratches in the casing. And a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, front windows only type. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.